Today I'm going to give you 5 tips to teach a child to learn how to read. Now I've used all of these tips to get my own children to read by the age of 4. The first thing you're going to do to teach your child to learn how to read is very basic. You're going to be teaching them their letter sounds. Don't worry about teaching them the names of the letters. That's not really important right now. And don't worry about the uppercase letters. Focus on the lowercase letters and the sounds that they make. A great resource that teaches reading in this way is this book called Teach Your Child to Read in 100 Easy Lessons. This book is a remarkable step-by-step program that teaches your child to read in just 20 minutes a day. It teaches your child the letter sounds and then starts to blend them together. And eventually, by the end of the book, your kid is reading at a 2nd grade reading level and reading big paragraphs. So after your child is learning their letter sounds, start having them blend those sounds together to form simple words. Tip 2, get some of those Bob books or Fun with Dick and Jane books. Those are great beginner books that help kids learn how to read. They have simple words that they can blend together. You want to get your child to read, depending on their age, between 5 and 10 minutes every day and practice reading. You can have them read out loud to you, or you can read together, taking turns with each sentence or each page. Next tip is to get these phonics cards. You can go on Amazon and pick up some phonics cards like these, and you're going to teach your kids to memorize their diagraphs and practice words that begin with these letter combinations. Mixing these together with the simple vowel and consonant sounds that they have already been learning is going to really take that reading to the next level. As they're learning these new sounds, you can upgrade your Bob books and your little readers to help them progress to the next level and read books that are a little bit more challenging than those first books. The next tip is to have your child memorize the Dolch sight words. You can do a quick Google search for Dolch sight words. You can find them for grade levels, and you're just going to go through these lists every day and have them learn about 5 a day, or 5 at a time, not 5 a day, 5 at a time, as long as it takes for your child to memorize them. And there's tons of fun ways that you can help to teach your child to memorize these words. I'll be making a video on that soon, and then you'll find it in the card above. But you can also go on Pinterest and find a bunch of ideas on memorizing sight words. And as you're following these tips, continue to get those readers and those books the next level up, the next level up. Then you can, once the kid is learning how to read sight words, they're able to start reading those little sight word book readers. You're adding your regular letter sounds, you're adding your diagraphs, and now you have sight words. And your child is on their way to becoming a very good and fluent reader. When you're reading to your child, I don't know if you guys do read out loud, but that's also a great thing for you to do. As you're reading stories to your child, have them sit on your lap, and as you are reading, run your finger along every word and read a little bit slower so that they can follow along with you. My children have picked up so many new words in this way because they're constantly seeing new words, they're learning how to pronounce them as you are saying them, and this is an excellent way for them to enhance their reading. As your kids are getting better reading, why not teach them how to spell their words as well? So make sure you click here if you want to see some fun ways to teach your child how to spell. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.